Top 7 Best Hiking Shoes 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 1. Salomon X Ultra 3 GTX. This Salomon X Ultra 3 is our top hiking shoe for 2021, combining a feathery feel with impressive on-trail performance. The shoe is competitively light at 1 pound 10 ounces, for a men's size 9. The tread design offers impressive grip in just about all conditions, and the stable chassis and cushioned interior are great for long trail days. All told, we highly recommend the X Ultra for day hikes, quick summits, and even lightweight backpacking. The single pull laces are fast to use and provide a secure fit. The X Ultra 3 stands out as the best all-around hiking shoe line on the market. Number 2. Merrell Moab 2 Ventilator. These may not be your long-distance or ultra-rugged hiking shoes. It's the lightweight but planted feel, comfortable fit, and attractive price point. Merrell updated the Moab a couple of years ago, including a more durable upper and greater cushioning in the heel of the foot, but the formula largely remains the same. For day hikers sticking to established trails, the Moab 2 is a great value. Keep in mind that we included the non-waterproof vent here, but Merrell also makes a waterproof version. Number 3. Hoka One One Speedgoat 4. Hoka One One used to be a niche brand for runners, but that has changed dramatically over the past few years, and the brand is now a go-to option for hikers. This trajectory makes sense. More and more people are ditching their burly boots for hiking shoes and trail runners, and if you stay mostly on established trails and aren't scrambling or carrying a heavy pack, it's our preferred way to go too. With thick cushioning and a lightweight build, the Hoka Speedgoat 4 is the most comfortable trail shoe we've ever worn. The sole is surprisingly grippy, and we have few complaints about it on trail performance. As a trail running shoe, the Speedgoat is light on protection around the foot, and the stability can waver when really put to the test. Number 4. Altra Lone Peak 5. Running-centric brand Altra is an uber-popular option for thru hikers and minimalists, with a strong lineup of heavily cushioned yet lightweight shoes. There are a few important things to keep in mind when choosing a trail running shoe like the Altra Lone Peak for hiking. First, you get less protection at the toe and along the sides of the foot than the more hiking-centric shoes on this list. Second, the shoe flexes more than a traditional hiker and won't be as comfortable on steep climbs and over rocky terrain. Third, the Lone Peak has a wide fit, particularly in the toe box. If you have narrow feet, we recommend looking for a different trail runner such as the Hoka One One Speedgoat above. Number 5. Sportiva TX4. It's built as an approach shoe, which means that it's grippy and tough for long hikes to climbing objectives or traveling over steep, rocky terrain. The Vibram outsole, full rubber end, and smooth area of sticky rubber under the toe make it a great option for scrambling, smearing, and edging on rock. I have been impressed with most is its versatility. The TX4 does equally well moving fast on the trail with its light and moderately flexible construction. The TX4 is a worthy companion for long days on the trail. And keep in mind that Sportiva does make this shoe in a number of versions, including the Mesh TX3, more breathability, up to the burly TXS, a full-on hiking boot. Number 6. Danner Trail 2650. Danner is best known for its work boots, but the longtime footwear brand has made a nice transition to hikers of late. The Trail 2650 has a lot going for it. It's comfortable right out of the box, grippy with a Vibram outsole, and impressively light at 1 pound 8 ounces per pair. And this shoe manages to do what most hiking shoes don't: look good in the process. All in all, we're impressed with the direction that Danner is headed, and the Trail 2650 is one of the more versatile options on this list. Number 7. Salomon X Ultra 4 GTX. Salomon's X Ultra 4 is the replacement for our top-rated X Ultra 3 above, and its sleeker and more modern look. Salomon revised the lacing system and chassis, and the fit is a bit wider in the toe box. Importantly, they've retained the X Ultra's fantastic mix of a running shoe-like nimble feel with true trail chops for everything from day hikes to extended backpacking trips. It balances support with flexibility extremely well, is plenty beefed up for rough conditions, and there's enough cushioning underfoot for full days with a loaded pack. In comparing the X Ultra 3 and 4, the difference in height is noticeable, and the sheer number of complaints is enough for us to hesitate in moving the shoe any higher on our list at the moment. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best hiking shoes 2021. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.